Alright, so designers are split between SketchUp or AutoCAD. Honestly, it depends on what you want. SketchUp's great if you like visualizing things in 3D, rooms, furniture, textures, the whole thing. AutoCAD. Super precise. Perfect for floor plans and technical stuff. Both are popular for good reasons. But a lot of students and freelancers get stuck figuring out which to start with. So today, we're gonna break it down like step by step, learning curve, 2D versus 3D, rendering, precision, industry usage, and pricing. By the end, you'll have a way clearer idea of which one fits your style. Okay, so first, SketchUp. Wow, it's pretty straightforward. You click, drag, push, pull, and suddenly there's a room. Even if you've never designed anything, you can make a small apartment model in a few hours. And it is kind of fun. You're like, oh, I actually made this. When something is so easy to learn, it will surely make your day. AutoCAD? Yeah, it's a bit intimidating at first. Layers, commands, shortcuts, dimensions. It can feel like you need a manual just to open a file. But stick with it, and suddenly you're producing floor plans that are exactly what a studio expects. Honestly, a lot of beginners give up too soon, but the key is just messing around, trying stuff, and don't stress about getting it perfect on day one. So basically, SketchUp give a quick start and may be suitable for all the beginners out there. Let's be real, AutoCAD needs some patience, but worth it if you're going pro. Now, 2D versus 3D. SketchUp, 3D all the way. You can build entire rooms, put in furniture, apply materials, even play with lighting. The nice thing is you can move around your model, zoom in, check corners. It's kind of like being inside the space already. Great for showing clients because they actually get it. AutoCAD's strong suit is 2D drafting. Floor plans, elevations, detailed construction layouts. You can't beat it for that. SketchUp can do 2D, but it's not designed for it. Also, one thing I like is that you can start in SketchUp to visualize, and then when you export to AutoCAD, everything feels like it just clicks into place. It's almost like the two softwares speak to each other if you use them right. So if you want quick, visual ideas, go for SketchUp. For exact floor plans, pick AutoCAD. Rendering is where it gets kind of obvious. SketchUp plus a plugin like V-Ray or Enscape. Wow, realistic light, shadows, textures. It can look like a real photo. Makes your models pop, especially for clients or portfolio shots. You walk them through, they're like, oh wow, that's exactly how it'll look. AutoCAD? Well, it can render, but mostly it's clean blueprints. For realistic visuals, you'd usually need something else. Its thing is clarity and exact lines, not photorealistic vibes. I will say though, SketchUp can be a little heavy on older computers if you're adding tons of textures and lights. Just something to keep in mind before you go full on fancy rendering. So yeah, presentations? Go for SketchUp. Need construction clarity? Then why not choose AutoCAD? Precision, people. This is important. AutoCAD nails it. Every line, every angle, every measurement can be trusted for real-world construction. Contractors love it because it's exact. SketchUp, flexible and intuitive, yes, but measurements can sometimes be a little off if you're not careful. Most pros actually do this. Model in SketchUp for ideas, then move it over to AutoCAD to get the measurements right. So kind of a best of both worlds thing. Honestly, if you're just doing small interior projects at home, SketchUp alone might be enough. But once you hit professional projects, you really see why precision matters. Every millimeter counts. Now here's a quick tip for our listeners. Don't rely on SketchUp alone for construction stuff unless you double check. Here's the deal. Industry usage matters a lot if you want a career. AutoCAD is basically the standard in architecture firms and big studios. Its precision, reliability, and standardization are why studios stick with it. SketchUp is more common for presentations, concepts, or freelancers. You can show ideas fast and it looks great, but big studios usually expect AutoCAD. Here come pro tip listeners. Even if you start in SketchUp, learning a little AutoCAD early can give you a huge leg up in job interviews or client work. It's kind of like having a secret weapon. Best approach? Learn both. You get fast design and professional technical skills. Pricing is important too. SketchUp has a free version and paid plans that are reasonable. AutoCAD. Subscription only and definitely more expensive. But students can often get both free or at a discount. So if you're experimenting or freelancing, go for SketchUp. If you want a career and long-term skills, then choosing AutoCAD is worth it. So here's the quick rundown. For visualization, it's SketchUp. Fast, fun, and presentation ready. For technical documents, choose AutoCAD. Precise, professional, studio standard. Here's pro tip for your convenience. Use both, SketchUp for ideas, AutoCAD for exact plans. Seriously, knowing both makes you super versatile. You can show clients great visuals and still have professional grade plans ready. And that's a wrap. SketchUp versus AutoCAD, both are awesome, just for different reasons. Which one fits your workflow better? Are you gonna start with 3D visualization or precise drafting? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I really want to know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you want more design breakdowns. Alright, let's get designing like a pro.